Terra Classic, highly debated proposal after TFL and SEC settlement, and what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you are interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. Let's start with the Terra Classic, highly debated proposal after TFL and SEC settlement. The Terra Luna Classic community started voting again on a highly debated proposal to increase the validators set on the blockchain. The move comes after Terraform Labs and Kwon agreed to settle with the US SEC for $4.5 billion. The proposal aims to bring Luna V2 validators to Terra Classic after the TFL and SEC settlement, bolstering the network's decentralization and benefiting the Lunc community. Proposal 12116, increase validator active set to 130, is currently undergoing governance voting on the station wallet. If passed, the Terra Luna Classic community will increase the validator limit to 130 from the current 100, as they look to welcome back validators from Terra Luna 2 after Terraform Labs and the US SEC settlement. Expanding the validator set to 130 will strengthen Terra Classic Network's decentralization and benefit the Lunc community. At press time, the proposal has received 38.04% yes votes after top validator all nodes voted no, citing the amount of Lunc required to get into the active set is not burdensome. Nevertheless, the proposal received 93.43% votes from delegates, indicating major support from the community. Among validators, 16 voted in favor of the proposal while 5 voted no, 1 no with veto, and 4 abstain votes. Vegas Node, Jesus is Lord, Nidawa, Solid Vote, Hexagon, and other validators voted in favor of the proposal. Terra Classic ecosystem tokens hitting resistance levels to gain upside momentum, but failed to break the levels amid uncertainty in the crypto market. Lunc price dropped 2% in the last 24 hours, but gave up most gains once again. The price currently trades at $0.40917 with a 24-hour low and high of $0.40, $897, and $0.40, $942, respectively. Moreover, trading volume decreased by 45% in the last 24 hours, indicating a lack of interest among traders. The total Lunc futures open interest jumped over 4% in the last 24 hours, but traders sold Lunc in the last few hours. Let's also talk about that the Terra Luna Classic community passes major tax to gas proposal. Terra Luna Classic community has finally passed the proposal to implement tax to gas, which removes the need for separating handling and calculation of tax. Tax to gas will incorporate the tax into the gas and decrease complexities for dApp developers and others, as stated Strathcole and Genuine Labs. With tax to gas almost near implementation, the Terra Classic community members started discussions on raising the burn tax to 1.2%. Once it is implemented, all crypto exchanges will burn on buys and sells and drive Lunc price higher. Proposal 12115, Genuine Labs tax to gas implementation, has passed in governance voting on Station Wallet. The proposal by Genuine Labs aims to proceed with incorporating tax into the gas. The team will also work on increasing chain security by preventing attack vectors using E2 E-test. The proposal received 74.91% yes and 25.03% abstain votes. This indicates some community members were reluctant to accept the tax to gas implementation. Most validators who participated have voted in favor of the proposal. It received support from validators such as Interstellar Lounge, Jesus is Lord, Stakely, Happy Caddy Crypto, Stakebin, and others. However, top Terra Luna Classic validator all nodes voted abstain and warned the community about the low level of discussions. We are abstaining as we acknowledge the community sentiment. It is important to note that we are not satisfied with the public communication and will consider voting no on further proposals if we do not see an improvement. Tax to gas proposal is game-changing as it will resolve issues, including contract developers need to calculate the burn tax manually. The issues are, clients or dApps have to calculate the tax themselves as the simulation endpoint only provides gas estimates. Migrating audited dApps becomes cumbersome due to these classic-specific adjustments, leading to potential re-audits. Genuine Labs developers require 5 weeks for research, development, and basic testing and deployment. The estimated total budget is $25,000 in Lunc. Let's also talk about that the Terra Classic climbs on governance approval of tax to gas proposal. This major step comes after proposal 12115 titled Genuine Labs Tax to Gas Implementation garnered significant support in a governance vote. The initiative, led by Genuine Labs, intends to embed the tax component within gas fees, thereby removing the complexities faced by dApp developers in tax calculations. The move aims to enhance chain security by preventing potential attack vectors through rigorous end-to-end testing. The proposal received 74.91% yes votes, with 25.03% opting to abstain, reflecting mixed sentiments within the community. Supporters included well-known validators such as Interstellar Lounge and Happy Caddy Crypto. However, the prominent validator, Allnodes, chose to abstain, citing inadequate public discussions and warning that future proposals might face a no if communication doesn't improve. Following the approval, Lunc prices surged by 6%, though they later retreated. As of now, Lunc trades at $0.40917, showing a lack of sustained interest with a decrease in trading volume by 32%. Community members are optimistic about hitting the $1 mark in this bull cycle, provided Lunc can breach the $0.3012 resistance level. Similarly, USTC saw a modest 2% increase and is currently priced at $0.0185. Despite the price hike, trading volume for USTC also fell by 12%, showing a similar trend of diminished trader interest. There's now a burgeoning discussion within the Terra Luna Classic community about raising the burn tax to 1.2%. Once incorporated, this could compel all crypto exchanges to execute burns on both buys and sells, likely driving Lunc prices higher. Genuine Labs has estimated a 5-week timeline for further research, development, and deployment with an overall budget of $25,000 in Lunc. The community believes that this renewed focus on tax integration will solve several existing issues, especially for dApp developers who currently face cumbersome manual calculations. The successful passage of the tax-to-gas proposal marks a pivotal moment for the Terra Luna Classic community. While challenges remain, particularly concerning public communication, there's a sense of optimism about the potential long-term benefits. As the community moves forward with higher burn tax discussions, eyes will be on Lunc to see if it can meet the ambitious $1 price target. The impact on the Terra ecosystem will be closely monitored, given its broad implications for developers and traders alike. Now let's talk about Terra Classic price analysis. June has been a particularly bearish month for the cryptocurrency market, with Bitcoin and Ethereum dropping to 4-week lows of $64,000 and $3,350, respectively. The broader market downturn has also affected Terra Classic Coin, which experienced a sharp reversal from 0.30's $125. The bearish turnaround plunged the asset 36% to a low of 0.40's $79 before reverting above 0.40's $86. Over the past 2 months, the Terra Classic coin has been trading in a sideways trend, resonating within 2 horizontal levels of 0.30's $122 and 0.40's $86. The altcoin rebounded several times from these levels, indicating no initiation from buyers to sellers to lead this asset. Amid the recent market correction, the Lunc price plunged to the 0.40's $868 mark, seeking support at the range bottom. The long tail rejection candle at 0.40's $86 on Tuesday hints the buyers continue to defend this support. As per a recent update, the Terra Classic community has overwhelmingly approved proposal 12114, which revises the Lunc burn tax distribution. This new plan, supported by over 98% of voters, will adjust the allocation of the 0.5% burn tax, with 80% going to burns and 20% split between the community pool and Oracle pool. This change is set to take effect in mid-July, potentially impacting immediate block rewards but boosting long-term staking rewards. This development should show a slow yet steady positive impact on the Terra Classic price. Enhanced staking rewards should attract long-term investors, while burning 80% of the collected tax might reduce supply, potentially increasing the token's value. Thus, the anticipated reversal from the range bottom will again push the asset 37% to challenge the 0.30's $12 resistance. However, a sustainable breakout from range resistance with daily candle closing is needed to trigger a directional trend in Lunc. The post-breakout rally could push the altcoin to the immediate target of 0.30's $173, followed by an extended rally to 0.30's $25. However, if the overhead supply persists, the altcoin will prolong its consolidation phase for another week or months. So how do you think Lunc price to $1? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, Let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.